스윙교본 로리 맥길로이가 알려주는 드라이버 루틴. 드라이버 정타와 비거리까지 한 번에 잡기 위해 로리 맥길로이는 이 드릴을 가장 추천한다고 말하는데요. 지금 바로 로리 맥길로이의 스윙 드릴 확인해 보세요.
Yeah, so a good drill that I like to do with my driver, and with every club actually, is this split-handed drill. For me, is something that it's a really nice feeling of what I'm trying to do. It sort of gets the club in the right positions in every stage of the swing without really feeling like you're trying to get it there. So I love this feeling of, you get the right hand under the, the left hand's on top, the right hand's underneath, so that when you turn to the top and you turn back down into, I feel like for me, that's a really good feeling of getting to the top of the backswing and then down into delivery, and just gets you in a great position, and it's a great feeling to then go ahead and try to replicate that when you hit a driver.